Thank you for clicking play. Are you ready to make your fitness deposit into your wellness tank today? Let's get started right now. Gentle march in place to start. Light hand weights or no light hand weights, the choice is up to you. Anytime you have a little bit of extra resistance, you're having a greater calorie burn, also when the arms are engaged as well. Always go at your pace. Your core is in nice and tight the whole time, shoulders back and down away from your ears, your gaze is forward, slight bend in your knees. Side to side, step touch. Smile on your face. You're making a deposit into your wellness fitness tank like you would a financial deposit into your bank account. You'll see it grow, as is with your fitness journey. Every workout counts. And march it out here. Getting the arms a little bit more active here as we begin warming up in a gentle, careful fashion. If you're not ready to hold on to the weights, put them down, pick them up when you're ready. Nice work. March, march, march. Heel digs to the front, directly in front. Sometimes I go off to the side, but this time we're directly in front. Get the arms moving. Side view. Heel digs to the front. Slight bend backwards. You're not completely upright, you're slightly back. One more here, march it out. Deep breath in, exhale. March, march, march. Nice, gentle walk, maybe on an active rest day, as your workout for the day, whatever the case may be. Keep the feet going. Give me a bicep curl. You might be going faster than me, you might be going slower than me. Whatever the case is for you today, you're here. You're moving your body, and that's what counts. Bicep curl, march, march, march. Go with the heel digs here, opposite arm, lifts and lowers to the side, to the front, with those same front heel digs that we did just earlier. Active arms here, shoulders are working, core is working, legs are working, heart rate's starting to get a little bit up there, right? Last one here, and march it out. March, march, march. Active arms. Instead of just them being here holding onto the weight, you've got them activated. They're part of your workout, with or without the weights. March, march, march. Give me a knee raise, a tap across the body. A little bit more core engagement here. Side to side, tap. Leg lifts. Tight core. Last one here, and march it out. Getting some really good steps in today. Breathe. March it out. Out, out, in. Watch my feet. Out, out, in. Out, out, in. Whatever lead leg you want to start with. Out, out, in. Step out, step in. Out, out, in. Active arms, with or without those weights. Feel free to pick them up and or put them down whenever you want to. This is your workout. March it out. Whatever lead leg you would lead with just now on that out, out, in, you're gonna do that again, but you're gonna start with the other leg as your lead leg. So if you were leading here with this leg, this time you're leading your out, out, in with the other leg. March, march. Get ready. Switch your lead leg, right? Out, out, in. Active arms, core in tight. A little bit on your tippy toes here, not that necessarily a flat foot stomp. Out, out, in. Working the calf muscles. Last one, and march it out. Very nice. March, march, march. Make it a little bit more engagement here, a little bit faster if you can. Side, raise the arm. 1, 2, 3, up. 1, 2, 3, up. Tap, up. 1, 2, 3, tap, up. Active arms. All different motions here, front, back, side. Getting the brain working. And march it out here. Starting to get very warm. That's a good feeling. Working the cardiovascular system. Whole body engagement here. Blood flowing. It's a good thing. Step up, step back. Up, back. Power active arms here. Up, back. Marching it out. Excellent work. If you're going faster or slower than me, that's okay. March it out. We're gonna step backwards, forward. We just stepped forward, backwards. Now we're gonna go backwards, forward. Try and switch out that lead leg. If your forward step, backward step was with your right, you're gonna start your back step with your left. Don't worry about it, we'll get it. Back, front, back, front. Active arms, nice work. Back, front, step back, step front, step back, step front. Last one here, march it out. Can you pick up your legs, your knees a little bit more? Can you exaggerate the arms a little bit more? Go, go, go. Very nice. 20 rounds so far. Almost there. Yes, you can. Small little gentle kicks, front kicks, with a little bicep hammer curl here. On the side, slight bend backwards, you're not up here. Slight bend, engaging the core, right? If you don't want to use the arms, don't use the arms. One more, march it out. Breathe. Excellent work. March it out. At home, walking workouts. No equipment even needed. Just your awesome, gorgeous body and a good attitude. Keep the feet going here. Piston presses, slow. Keep your feet going. If you want to do it double time, you do that. If you want to keep it singles, a little bit slower, that's all right too. Keep the feet going. March it out. Very good. Power arms here. They're not just staying here, they're involved in your workout. You're burning more calories, you've got some extra added resistance if you're using them. Nice work. Cross punch. 1, 2, punch. 1, 2, punch. Pick it up if you can. 1, 2. 1, 2, punch. Full body move, watch my lower body. Watch the lower body. Pivot, the back heel comes off the ground. One more, and march it out. Excellent. March, march, march. Don't forget about that core. You gotta correct your posture from time to time. Correct it. Give me a side to side leg lever lift with some triceps. Little bounce down in the center. Nice work, working the glutes. Little demi squat in the middle. Tricep action here. Little dip. Last one here, march it out. Nice work. March, march, march. Breathe. Very nice. Side heel digs. Before we were going to the front, now we're going off to the side. From the side view, here. Elbows back. Nice work. And if you're holding the weights, I want you to carefully put them down now. Might be nice to have a bench nearby. Slowing it down. Little cool down here. Give me a step touch. So important to cool the body down. We warmed it up. We had the body of our workout. Now we're having a cool down. Side to side step touch here. Gentle march in place, slower than what we were doing. Give me a calf leg stretch here from the side. Active stretch. Carefully put a little bit of pressure on the small of your back, then release, then press it, then release. Side to side sway, wringing out that core. Deep breath in, exhale it out. One more. If you need a longer cool down and stretch, I do have a 5-minute one in the description box below. Please feel free to do that on your own. There is also a warm up there too, a generic one as well if you ever need that before a workout. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this gentle but fun and effective walk. Please like, share, comment, and kindly subscribe. I truly appreciate all the comments, all the support for my channel, and I will see you in the next video.